Mother. Sucker.
Hi, my name is Cassandra, and today I'm going to show you the 6 essential things that I need to take with me if I go to any show, any concert, festival, any event really. And I hope that these tips will help you guys out when you guys are packing for your trip. So the first thing that I would advise for going to a concert would definitely be sunscreen. I think it's super important that you protect your skin from all the damage from the sun, not just at a concert, just all the time in the summer, especially in California. So I use the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch with the Broad Spectrum 55. I think it was recommended to use at least, I want to say like 50. So I went ahead and used 55, and I think this works great for me because I do have oily skin, but it doesn't leave like that greasy feeling on your face, which is really nice, especially if you want to wear makeup to the concert. So for my second tip, I would recommend bringing a small backpack. This one I use for school, I use it for hiking, I use it for going to shows. It's really multi-purpose. I love the size of it. It's small like all around, but once you go in there, it's like kind of deep, so you can squeeze a lot of things in there. And it stays out of the way. I don't like taking a full-size backpack just because if I want to like dance and enjoy the music, it's kind of like in the way. So this one is like the perfect size to hold a lot of things, as well as small enough to you know, stay out of the way. So for my third tip, I would definitely recommend bringing in water of your own if you can. Some venues will let you bring in empty water bottles for you to fill up inside. Some venues let you bring in closed water bottles, like plastic water bottles, and some don't allow any of that. So if you can, try to bring in your own HydroFlask. This is what I would take. I don't know where my lid is at, but this is what I would take. Or I would stop by Target before heading into the concert and buy a couple water bottles to throw into my handy dandy backpack. But if the venue doesn't, then that would lead me into my fourth tip. The fourth thing I would recommend bringing is cash. Cash is always good to have on hand at a concert, on your way home, driving. I think always having at least 20 bucks cash is good to have. Some venues aren't caught up with 2018 and don't accept card yet for like merch or buying water or drinks or any of that. So I would recommend bringing cash. The fifth thing that I would recommend that you bring to make sure you have a great time is a bandana or one of those medical masks if you can get your hands on one of those. Just because you never know what the venue's gonna be like, especially if it's outdoors. Some could have a nice full patch of green grass, and some could have grass that's been dead for like 10 years. Breathing in all that dirt that people kick up can be really bad on your breathing. I know some people at Coachella have gotten like this Coachella cough, I think it's something like that, because they've just breathed in so much dirt. So I would really recommend bringing a bandana or some sort of mask to cover your nose and your mouth to make sure that you're not breathing in so much dirt. I doubt you're not gonna breathe any dirt, but this will at least minimize as much as it can so you don't get that nasty cough afterwards. The sixth and final thing that I would recommend bringing to your show would be a portable charger. This one is not the biggest one and doesn't have that much juice to charge my phone, but it will keep it on for the whole day. Nowadays, I feel like no one can get by without a phone. I know it's tougher for me to get by without my phone, with directions, with getting people to get together if we're in a large group and they get broken up or whatever. It's always nice to have your phone on you, of course. You never know what happens, so it's always nice to have your phone on and with some battery so you can get in contact, so you can find your way home, so you can take all those pictures that you want to take. Alright, so those are my 6 essential things that I recommend you take to a show. Of course, everyone's needs are different, but personally, that's what I will always have in my backpack. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped in case you're planning to go to a concert or a festival. Hopefully these essentials will be in the back of your head when you're planning to pack for this trip, because I know they are very important to me, so maybe they might be important to you. But until then, I hope you guys enjoy your show, and I'll see you on the next one.